And I'm just going to pour you a lovely cup of tea. Butch.
I can't usually drink tea, but Maralee Dawn said since you're her friend and she's known you for a long time, now that you've moved to England, she said we could come and visit you and I get to have tea with you.
I'm so glad you came.
Because you used to live next door to Maralee Dawn, right?
That's right.
And now you live here.
I do. I came all the way from Canada.
But I want to hear how you sound when you're being British.
When I'm being British, oh my, well then I'm having a cup of tea and it's just spiffy and it's all lovely.
I love it. That sounds cool.
Well, you know, I'm trying to learn to speak like the locals.
Wow, I love it. It's starting to catch on to you.
That's right.
Hey, what about my tea? Could I have some? Yes, I said you could have tea, but you have to have lots of milk in your tea.
Of course.
Lots of milk and just a little bit of tea, okay?
Okay.
How come this is warm?
Well, it's very important for the perfect British cup of tea to warm the cup ahead of time.
And how come you put the milk in first?
Well, that's just the way that it's done. So you can see exactly how much milk that you like to have.
That's very cool. That looks perfect.
Now, is this your first cup of tea?
Yes, it is my first cup of tea, so I need a lot of sugar.
A lot of sugar. Okay. Well, how much Maralee Dawn can we really put in?
I think really... It's just a little spoon, see? It's tiny. All right, then maybe 2. How about 3? 2. Okay.
2, okay.
Start with 2 and taste it and see how you like it, okay? Okay, let me taste it. No, just a minute.
Now we have to stir it first with this cute little teaspoon.
All right.
Now this spoon is about perfect for you, isn't it?
It is. And you need to be very careful, Butch, because this is real bone china.
Yes, it is.
What's it called?
It's called Old Country Roses.
I love it.
I do too. It's so
Are
pretty.
you going to have tea, Maralee Dawn? Well, yes, I'm going to have tea too, but I like mine when it's steeped and strong. Okay. What do you mean by that? Well, you let the tea sit in the pot and it gets very strong. And so my cup is still warm. I think I'll wait.
Now, Butch, could I offer you some sweets?
Yes! I love sweets.
Which one do you like?
I like this chocolate one.
Okay.
All right, that's awesome. Thank you for inviting me to your tea party. I'm having a lot of fun.
I'm so glad you could come.